Selfies, videos, photographs, sharing, that's the world that we live in. But all that bits of information has got to live somewhere. I'm here in Las Vegas, I'm here at EMC World to find out exactly how they've become number one in being able to offer those solutions. Very excited to hear about a new box called Unity, and let's see how that's going to be an absolute game changer in the market. Let's go listen, find out what's happening.
As you can see, EMC has been growing over the last couple of years with this trip down memory lane. But what is EMC? I got a couple of the execs to tell me what is EMC to them in one line, in a tweet in fact.
My name is Peter Smales. I'm Vice President of Product Marketing for EMC Core Technologies. I have responsibility for our primary and data protection portfolios. EMC is the world's leader in primary and data protection storage solutions.
Hi, my name is Mark Gill, and I'm a Senior Marketing Manager in the Core Technologies division of EMC. I'm focused on the mid-market space, and it's providing partnerships with customers to make their information more valuable.
Okay, so EMC looks after our ones and zeros, looks after our data. But how does it do that, and what solutions has it got for us? I asked those questions too.
All organizations should be aware of hackers, malware. They must be doing everything they can to protect our data. By now, surely they must be. Surely?
Data protection's never been more strategic to EMC's core strategy. The reality is that we're trying to help organizations transform, right? That's digital transformation is all about having a modern data center. You can't have a modern data center if you don't have confidence that your data is protected and accessible. So it's all about protection and accessibility of data, okay? So that's why data protection is a core tenet of what EMC does. Data protection is inherent to what we do, okay? Similar to cloud, honestly, as cloud you've heard is inherent to what we do, data protection is inherent to what we do. We have an entire portfolio of solutions, obviously, and we attack the problem in a number of different ways, but that ties directly to what we see as the evolution of data protection, and actually ties directly to some of the announcements we're making today. So you're referring to something called the Global Data Protection Index. Okay, Global Data Protection Index exists because what we wanted to do was get a neutral third-party view of what is the state of data protection? How protected are companies? You know, are they in good shape, bad shape? And the thing that was pretty scary about the data that came back was that what you're referring to was that 87% of them were, in the survey, were laggards or evaluators, which essentially meant they weren't where they needed to be. 71% of respondents weren't confident in their ability to restore in case of a data loss or downtime, and over 50% of them had no plan for cloud or mobile. So, not our words, the point is, if you're not all in on data protection, be afraid, be very afraid. Like, you need to worry about this stuff. That's the key message.
Okay, one of the big announcements at EMC World was Unity. Tell me about Unity.
So, Unity's an evolution of the mid-range storage, but very different to what we've had in the past. You know, we've had VNXE in the very low-end market space. We've had VNX in the mid-market space, and they've done very, very well. But you know, based on our discussions with customers were saying, especially in the mid-market space, we want something that's even simpler to deploy, simpler to manage. We're wanting one device for all our workloads, you know, file, block. And by the way, we wanted to be able to support all the modern requirements of today, meaning you need to build it for flash. You know, I don't want to buy something today and then next year you tell me, oh, sorry guys, you know, this is not, you know, really built to perform in next year's environment. So we've been working on Unity for a number of years now. And it's a combination of taking a lot of the best of what we had worked on VNX and VNXE, and then taking that even further. So we now have a single unified platform in 2 rack views. So that supports both file and block. So we don't need additional servers for file serving capabilities. 2 rack U's, 25 flash drives, 80 terabytes of SSDs in 2 rack U's. So unified system, you've got unified protection, unified snapshots, unified replication, simple to deploy. We've got snap in rail kits, workflow wizards, we've got cloud-based management. So it's very, very different to anything we've introduced in the mid-market in the past.
So Unity is a game changer. As David, to use David's word, Unity is a game changer. We have a lot of game changers. Unity is definitely a game changer. And a couple of important things. So first of all, what is it? It's our next generation, mid-tier storage solution. Okay, so you're familiar with our portfolio. We are all in on all flash. 2016 is the year of all flash. So Unity is the latest addition to our all flash portfolio. So now we have Extreme IO, we have VMAX, now we have Unity. Unity is truly unique in the marketplace around 4 key tenets that are super easy to understand. Number 1 is simplicity. Simplicity is baked into the DNA of Unity. So for small, mid-sized, even large organizations, super important. It's easy to buy. Okay, it's very simple to acquire. Web-based sizer built into the ordering system. All the software is included. Easy to acquire. Easy to deploy. Standard 2U rack configurations. Getting rid of down to 6 cables total. Snap and rack. Completely simple deployment. Simple to manage. New HTML5 interface. Blows the competition away. Third parties we validated this with third parties. More simple than the competition. Simple to service. Things happen, absolutely true. Cloud IQ, web-based tool for giving you visibility into health of your overall infrastructure. Affordable, so it's incredibly simple, it's modern, so it's available as all flash, it's also available as hybrid. So for those organizations that aren't completely there on all flash, no problem. It is flexible, so it's available as a physical appliance, it's available as a virtual appliance, it's available in a converged infrastructure through our VCE deployment model. So simple from a configuration standpoint, very flexible. It's completely unified. Another core tenet of EMC. It's all unified. Flexibility of workload support. Okay, so unmatched, unparalleled in the marketplace. And last, at an amazingly aggressive price point. All flash configuration, 80 terabyte 2U all flash configuration under 18K. Hybrid configuration under 10K. So key message there as organizations are looking at what they need to acquire. It's important to look at all the tenets of what you need. I need simplicity, absolutely, but you need a modern architecture, which means all flash as well as hybrid. I need flexibility, which means flexibility of deployment models. It means flexibility of workload support. It means flexibility of unification, file, block, vvol, etc. And it means flexibility and simplicity of support. And it means affordability. Nothing on the marketplace today delivers what Unity delivers.
So there you have it. Modernization is the key theme. It's all about taking today's technology and being bulletproof for the future. You cannot build tomorrow's technology using 20-year-old technology that you've had in your business forever and ever and ever. It's time for the modernization. It's time for the executives to approve those budgets so that you can spend today so you can build for tomorrow. That's me from Las Vegas. Until the next time, see you in the next episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. Guys, thanks for watching another Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. Don't forget to check out the blog on TheTechieGuy.com, and don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a button below here. Make sure you click that so you get all these videos coming straight to you.